Hello everyone, myself Dhoni and I work as a visual designer at Amazon Prime Video. Recently, I've uploaded a video on my social media giving a glimpse into the workspace at Amazon, what it's like to work here. And I received tons of questions like how we can explore the job vacancies at Amazon, what does the application process looks like, and how we can ask for the referrals. So in this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of exploring all the open positions listed in Amazon's official job portal, how you can apply and how you can ask for the referral. And towards the end, I'll also be covering some of the commonly asked questions and also some tips to increase your chances of getting hired at Amazon. So let's get started with the video. Alright, let's start by finding job vacancies at Amazon. The first step is to go to amazon.jobs. This is Amazon's official job portal where all open positions are listed. Here you will see a search bar where you can enter keywords related to the role or job that you're looking for. Let's say we are interested in a marketing manager role. I'll type marketing manager and hit search. Now to refine our search and find most relevant job, we can apply some filters. For example, location. If you're looking for an opportunity in a specific city, select that location. For example, if you want to work in Bangalore, choose Bangalore from the list. Job category. Since this is a marketing role, we can apply filters by marketing and PR to get relevant listing. Job type would be you can select it if you're looking for a part-time, full-time or a contract or internship based on your preferences. Now that we have refined our search, let's open a specific job listing and check out the details. It's very important to read the job description or JD carefully before applying. Let's go through the listing of a program marketing manager. A job description typically involves three main sections: description, basic qualification, and a preferred qualifications. The description will tell you what you'll be doing in this role, and basic qualification, these are the must-have skills and experience required for this job. If you don't meet this, your chances of getting selected are lower. But preferred qualifications, it's like these are the nice to have skills. If you have them, great. But if you do not, you can still apply if you meet the basic qualifications. So once you go through the JD, you'd be able to understand if you're a good fit for this position or not. Then you can directly click on the Apply Now button and proceed with your application by creating an account, filling in all your details and submitting your resume. You would also receive email updates on your application status, or you can check that in the job portal as well after submitting the application. So now let's talk about how referral works. You can connect with an Amazon employee through LinkedIn, ask them for referrals. If they're ready to refer you, you can share the job ID and your resume. Job ID, you can take it from the job description in Amazon's job portal and also explain why you are a good fit for this position. So when an Amazon employee refers you, your application gets tagged as referrals and making it more likely to be reviewed by the recruiter. The chances of going through the initial review once your application is a referral is more quickly than the non-referred applicants. And it is very important to know that a referral does not guarantee you a job offer or an automatic interview. Your resume still have to meet the job requirements and you still have to go through Amazon standard interview process. To maximize your chances of getting hired, make sure that your resume is relevant and it aligns perfectly with the job description. And if you would like to know more about the interview process or if you need any guidance on that, please let me know in the comment. If you find this video helpful, please let me know that as well. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.